Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I know so many of you dream about speaking English confidently, but something always stops you, right? Maybe you think it's too hard, too late, or you are not good enough. Well, let me tell you a secret. 5 months ago, I was exactly like you. And today, I am going to share how I learned English in just 5 months and how you can too. 5 months ago, I could not speak a single full sentence in English without fear. Whenever someone spoke English, I did freeze. My mind would go blank and I did smile just to hide my nervousness. One day, something changed. I was in a cafe when a tourist asked me a simple question in English and I could not reply. I felt so embarrassed that I went home and cried. But that day, I made a promise to myself. I will never let fear control me again. From that day, I created a simple routine. I listened to English every day, YouTube stories, podcasts, and short talks. I spoke with myself in front of the mirror, even if it sounded silly. I learned 5 new words every day and used them in sentences. I watched movies with subtitles and repeated the dialogues. I stopped being afraid of making mistakes. At first, I sounded funny. I forgot words. I messed up grammar, but I kept going. Every single day, even if just for 20 minutes. And guess what? After 2 months, I could talk to strangers confidently. After 4 months, I could speak in English without thinking twice. And by the 5th month, I was fluent enough to share my thoughts, dreams, and emotions freely. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start to become perfect. If I can do it, you can too. Stop saying, I will start tomorrow. Start today. Even if your English is not perfect. Because every word you learn brings you one step closer to confidence. So my friends, if you really want to learn English, make a small promise to yourself right now. Repeat after me. I will not give up. I will learn. I will speak. Comment below. I am starting today if you're ready to begin your journey. And if this story inspires you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more motivational stories and English learning inspiration every week. See you in the next video. And remember, you don't need perfect English to start. You just need to brave hard to begin.